Hi ma'am, I am Christopher Barrios Romano, 22 years old from Procolo Poblacion, Baruila, Agusan del Sur. First year criminology. The one who made my name ma'am is my mother because she said this is she wanted to name me. And my favorite color is green like the nature because I love nature, and my hobbies is singing, and my sports is sipak takraw and volleyball. I like my name mom because I am comfortable now, and I like my sports and hobbies because I'm happy to play and to perform my hobbies and sports. I think girls mom are caring and loving, and I think boys are to love women and to care the woman. And the girl should do is to care their family and to do their housework, and the boys I think should do the boys is to do their responsibilities of their family and loved ones. Society thinks that girls should do is to care their elder and younger families and work factories and help their housework and ready to their adulthood. And society thinks that boys should do is breadwinners and protector and to do their responsibilities of their families. Thank you, ma'am.